Church bells ringing out for you, you look so young. 92 and there's something about this picture that's kept in my mind. Your white dress, your sprayed up hair, smiling eyes, we both share, but there's something underneath them we try not to define. We got mama's pride and grandpa's manners. Daddy died still swinging hammers. Don't trust our lives to give us all our time. When church bells ringing out for me, I always thought this is what I'd be, but I pictured myself perfect. Forgot how I could feel. Hanging in our living room, just black and white. There's me and you hugging on the shoreline, covered by your veil. I got mama's pride and grandpa's manners. Daddy died still swinging hammers. Don't trust my life to give me all my time. Church bells ringing through the trees. I've got a son who's skinning knees, and I'm absolutely petrified, worrying over him. It's like he'll do things just for fun to hurt himself, and I'm the one feeling all his pain and bearing all his sin. He's got mama's pride and grandpa's manners. Daddy's habit of throwing hammers doesn't act like life runs out of time. Play-Doh on a wedding ring, jumping Hot Wheels off of everything. Is such a precious time to get to be alive. I wish I knew just what to do, how to raise your favorite you. I don't know if it's up to me, but I know I've gotta try. I've got mama's pride and grandpa's manners. Daddy died still swinging hammers. Kinda feels like life sped up my time.